The next weaving type that we're going to do is called twinning. This is very similar to the sumac weave, only you're using 2 strings, which I have already pre-cut about 3 feet long. 2 strings, and I alternated colors so you can kind of see it happening. And it's done exactly the same as a sumac weave. The only thing that's different is you start out by folding this 3-foot string in half. So I find the loop on the end where I folded it in half. I'm going to take this loop and I'm going to feed it underneath of one of my spokes, and then I'm going to take all of these tails and I'm going to pull them through and make a tight knot. That is actually called a lark's head knot. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my colors. I'm going to separate the blue from the yellow. And I'm going to have blue on this side and yellow on this side. Then what I'll do is I will do this exactly the same as a sumac. I'm going to hold 2 strings in my hand at one time. I will pass it under a spoke and around. Now I'm going to leave it right here because the next one is going to go to the next spoke, and I'm going to pass it under and around. Oh, I'm sorry, not under. I'm going to go over and around. Whoops. Over and around. Push it down. Then I will pick the blue one up again, and I will pass it over where I just did the yellow one, and I'm going to go to the next spoke. Over and around. Push it down. Next one, I will pull it over and around. It will kind of start taking this braid-like design all the way around. But that's all you do is over to the next spoke and around. Push it down. Over to the next spoke. Keep going under. Over and around. Next one. Over the spoke. Around. And you can sort of see the design taking shape.